How to set up and use Linktree. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Linktree and how you can set it up. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know what a Linktree is, it's pretty much, as the name suggests, it's a tree of links to all of your social media accounts. So if, for example, you put a Linktree link in your Instagram handle, and whenever someone clicks on that Linktree, it will show you all of the links that are available over there that the person has added. So it's pretty much it. It's very useful so to get more, subscribers on your other platforms, all in all. So it's pretty decent. It's very really good software that you should definitely use if you have a large following. So let's just jump into it. So the sign up process is very simple and it's absolutely free. There is a pricing plan, but which I will get into later. So for now, we just simply click on the sign up over here and we just simply sign up on Linktree. As I said before, the process is very simple and it's free, so don't worry about that. So over here, you just simply have to input your username, your email address, and your password, and you're good to go. So over here, it can be anything. Let's just say this is the username. All right, then we just simply enter in the email address and then we enter in the password and we check this terms and agreement and we just simply click on a sign up with email. And once we've done that, we are good to go. And boom, there we go. So now we just have to enter in our basic details, basically telling them our name and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on continue, and over here they're basically going to ask us, and then once you've entered in your name, you just simply have to select the category that best describes your link tree. So it can be anything. So for example, if you are in, let's say, health and wellness type of, niche, all of your content revolves around that category, then you should choose that category. If it's tourism or travel, you should go with that, meaning vlogs and stuff like that. But if it's a non-profit and organization, you can go ahead and do that. Choose whichever one you're comfortable with and just simply click on continue. So I'm going to choose non-profit. Now we're going to get, so now they'll ask you what is your organization. I forgot, it's no organization, so we'll just go with entertainment, or actually go with tech. Actually, I don't fall into any of these categories, so I'm just simply gonna go ahead and say social media. I'm not a robot. Yep. Click on continue, and once you're set up, you are good to go. So as you can see, this is the plan right here that I was telling you about. So there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 plans over here: the free plan, the starter, the pro, and the premium. It all depends on you. If you choose the free plan, you get unlimited links and customizable link tree to connect your community to everything you are. You will get unlimited links, as I said before, social icons, video, music, and more. Use data to make your link tree better, and collect payments, tips, and donations, and moderate transaction fee is going to be 10%. And then you have your starter pack where you get all of those, but you get enhanced customization, even more unique themes, videos, background, button, and fonts. You're going to use the data to make your link tree better. So better with clicks, views, and more from the last 90 days. So from here you get 28 days, over here you get 90 days. You get spotlight, scheduled, and highlight links over here. Don't get that over here. You get priority support, receive a response within 24 hours, and you have a low transaction fee of only 5%, which is pretty nice. And then in the pro one, we have comprehensive customization, more customization tool, more data, more views. We can connect our Google Analytics, Facebook, TikTok, pixels, and use UTM tags. We can collect email and grow our mailing list and stuff like that. Priority support, and the lower transaction fees are going to be 2%, which is really low. And then we have the premium one where you can go full out. You get your own customer success manager. You export your all-time data to get a full view of your performance. Top support, receive a response within 4 hours, and lowest transaction fee is going to be 0.5%. It all depends on you which one you use, but I would recommend the starter one because it's pretty decent, has low fees and stuff like that, and it's only $5. But then again, I also would like to say that actually $9 is much better, the pro one, because it's just $9 and you get a 2% transaction fee, plus you get all these different features that I think are going to be really helpful. So if you are planning to increase your business, then this is it. But if you're just trying to plan out, then I think that free plan is going to be better. So I'm going to choose the free plan for now, and I'm just simply going to sign up for free. And once you've done that, we just simply have to verify our account and click on continue. And once you've signed up, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, you're going to have your analytics, your views, your clicks, your CTR. You're going to have your links over here. You have appearances over here. As you can see, You can create your own ones. You have your tiles and stuff like that. You have your settings, analytics, and upgrade and stuff like that. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and add a new link. So to add a link, we just simply click on add new link over here. And over here, we enter in the title and the URL. So for example, if I go ahead and open up Instagram page right here, let's say this is my profile, I'll just simply copy the link, go back over here, and I'll enter in Instagram over here. And then at the bottom, I'll just simply paste the URL. Boom, there we go. That is it. Then we can add more stuff to it. We can add like a thumbnail, prioritize, we can schedule it, lock it, analyze it, you know, everything. So if you wanted to add a thumbnail, we could set a thumbnail over here. We could upload your own thumbnail, or you could choose from the tabular icon. Over here, you're going to have a bunch of different icons to choose from. It all depends on you. But I would definitely say that if you want to set a thumbnail, it's better to set your own thumbnail. Just simply upload your own picture and you are good to go. So we simply click over here and upload our image that we downloaded, right? And we just simply, you know, save the image, and boom, there we go. We just simply click on upload, wait for it to be uploaded, and we are good to go. Boom, there we go. So that's going to be our thumbnail over here, and that's it. So that's how it's going to look like over here on the right side over here in the preview. That's going to be Instagram. Next, we can add a new link. We can add our Facebook over here, or Twitter. Let's go with Twitter. We'll just simply click on Twitter over here, and we'll open up Twitter as well. Next, we come over here onto Twitter, and we just simply, you know, copy our Twitter link. And again, we go back to Linktree and we add our URL over here, and you can add your thumbnail as well. Link off of Twitter website, display this profile's latest tweet on my Linktree, or link off this profile's latest tweet, whatever you want. I'll just say this. And once that's done, we are good to go. Then you can add more stuff over here. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Twitter, we have Instagram. So over here, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Over here on the right, we have Twitter, we have Instagram, and same thing you can do with other social media accounts, such as your Twitter, such as your YouTube, your Spotify, your other business websites and stuff like that, and you are good to go. And once you've done that, just simply click on share over here and put this Linktree site over here into your profile over here underneath your bio, and you will be good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. That's how you basically set up Linktree, and that's how you basically use it. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.